Hey everybody, I got a question for y'all. What are the two things that people like to do most in the springtime in the woods? Wild turkey hunt and look for wild edibles, right? I'm out here, I got done with work early, so I decided to come out in the woods and see if I could find some, and lo and behold, I found some. Right now I'm going to dig some of these up. I'm not going to take them all up or dig them all up. I'm going to leave some for next year, because if you take them all, there ain't going to be any left for the following year. So, and all you really have to do is to dig them out is just take your spade, go alongside, not real close, maybe about 1.5 inches, 2 inches away, push down in the ground, provided there's no rocks, push down and just kind of pry up the dirt along with the onion. There you got it. And what they look like is a real broad leaf like this. There's a little bit of purple, like the veining along the leaf. Then towards the stem, it gets purple. And it kind of resembles a green onion down at the bottom. Other than looking at the wild onion itself, you can also taste it and smell it. But you got to make sure that you know what you're looking for before you even taste it. Okay, all you have to do is pick a leaf off, smell it. If it smells like onion and garlic together, that's one good bet, and taste it. If it's got a strong, not real strong, but a good onion flavor to it, like this one, you know it's a wild onion. Oh, wow. Well, I dug up what I wanted. Plastic bag worth. Doesn't pay to take any more, because if you're not going to use them all, it doesn't pay to waste it and throw it out, right? But what I'm going to do with them is I'm going to probably put them in some eggs in the morning and saute some mushrooms, button mushrooms for eating steak. You want to take this outside membrane off, wash that all off, throw it out, throw it to the side, take the roots off. And once you're done washing them, get a paper towel, wrap them up in a paper towel, or put them in a plastic bag and store them in the refrigerator. It's going to take they'll last about 10 days before they start going bad. Yeah, I got a joke too. The other day I bought an air compressor, and it was pretty big. I asked the guy that was out in the parking lot with me, I asked him if he could help me lift it up into the back of the truck. He said, "No, I can't." I'm like, "Why not?" "It's too much pressure." Have yourself a great day. Enjoy the little things. One more thing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.